Welcome to part 1 of our series on campfire cooking. Breakfast is my personal favorite meal of the day, so here is an easy skillet that you could make over a campfire or camp stove to start your day off right. For 2 people, you'll need a skillet or a cast iron pan, 6 eggs, 2 small potatoes, and green onions and shredded cheese for taste. First, you'll need to prep your ingredients. You'll start off with chopping up your potatoes. What's nice about camp cooking is that this step doesn't have to be perfect. Set these aside and start dicing your green onions. When you're ready to cook, first cook your bacon in your skillet just how you like it. When it's ready, set these aside for later. Keep all that bacon grease in the pan and use that bacon fat to cook your potatoes. After softening up your potatoes for a couple minutes, add in your eggs and stir them in, cooking them at the same time. Cook your skillet until the eggs are ready and your potatoes are soft, which will take about 10 minutes. From here, take your bacon that you set aside and either cut it up or rip it up with your hands to add it into your skillet. Next, mix in your chopped onions, sprinkle your cheese, and let it melt before serving. There you have it, a delicious breakfast skillet for you to enjoy on your trip.